Struggling with dull kitchen knives that make cooking feel like a chore? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best Santoku knives for home on Amazon. From razor-sharp edges to perfect balance and durability, I'll break down what makes each knife worth adding to your kitchen, and yes, I'll be honest about the pros and cons. Let's get chopping. Number 1. Overall best pick, Shun Premier 5 1/2 inch Santoku knife. The Shun Premier 5 1/2 inch Santoku knife is a beautifully crafted, compact kitchen workhorse. Its VG Max steel core holds an incredibly sharp edge, and the 34-layer Damascus cladding adds both strength and a stunning visual pattern. The hammered Tsuchime finish creates little pockets that reduce drag and help release food smoothly. The walnut pakka-wood handle feels comfortable and balanced in hand, making long prep sessions easier. On the downside, the blade's very thin, hard steel can be more prone to chipping if misused or used on very hard foods. But if treated carefully, it's a joy to use. Number 2. My second best pick, Dalstrong Santoku knife. The Dalstrong 5-inch Gladiator Series Elite Santoku knife is a powerful little blade that punches way above its weight. The forged German high-carbon steel gives it excellent edge retention and a wicked sharpness that easily slices through veggies, meats, and more. The black G10 handle feels very sturdy and ergonomic in hand, making it comfortable for both chopping and more delicate cuts. The included sheath is a thoughtful touch for safe storage or transport. On the downside, the blade is a little heavier than some other 5-inch Santokus in this size range, which can make it tiring for extended, delicate prep work. Still, for performance and build quality, it's a serious contender. Number 3. My third best pick, Wacoly EDIB 2-piece kitchen knife set. The Wacoly EDIB 2-piece kitchen knife set is a gorgeous, high-performance pair of blades. The 67-layer Damascus steel with a VG10 core delivers razor-sharp precision for chopping and slicing, yet still feels surprisingly smooth thanks to its carefully forged edge. The pakka-wood handles are not just elegant, they offer a comfortable, balanced grip that makes long prep sessions a pleasure. The included elegant gift box adds a premium touch perfect for gifting. On the flip side, the blades require regular hand washing and careful drying. They're not suited for the dishwasher, which can be a hassle for busy cooks. Number 4. My fourth best pick, Hoshin Ho 7-inch Japanese Chef Santoku knife. The Hoshin Ho 7-inch Japanese Chef Santoku knife is a versatile, high-performance blade that feels incredibly precise in hand. The high-carbon stainless steel is razor-sharp and holds its edge really well, making slicing vegetables, meat, and herbs effortless. The ergonomic pakka-wood handle has a great balance and gives a comfortable and confident grip even during longer prep sessions. I also appreciate the sleek, modern look. It feels like a professional knife without being intimidating. The downside, the blade is thinner than many Western-style chef knives, so it's more delicate and can chip if used on very hard or frozen foods. But for everyday kitchen tasks, it's a strong performer. And last but not least, my fifth best pick, Mercer Culinary Asian Collection Santoku knife. The Mercer Culinary Asian Collection 7-inch Santoku knife is a solid, no-nonsense kitchen tool that blends performance with practicality. Its high-carbon German steel blade stays sharp and handles everyday chopping with ease, from vegetables to proteins. The NSF-certified handle is slip-resistant and designed for commercial use, so it feels rugged and secure in hand. I also appreciate the hollow groove indentations on the blade, which help reduce food sticking. On the downside, the knife is a little heavier than some Santokus in this size range, which can make it tiring for extended, delicate prep work. Still, for reliable performance and kitchen durability, it's a smart pick. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite Santoku knives for home? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.